Today I greet you from the heart of the Lincolnshire countryside in the peaceful hamlet of Gosberton Westhorpe. Colterne Barn was converted 10 years ago from a barn to this wonderful family home, lying on just over a 1 acre plot. It's a superb place to live. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. The centrepiece of this home is this open plan living kitchen, complete with wood burning stove, vaulted ceilings and bifolding doors onto the rear garden. If you like what you've seen in this video or have any further questions, please contact us on the details below or visit frankmodern.co.uk.